afternoon and congratulations, sir.
Thank you.
And your action, sir, ti pa ng Pilipinas Unity Board of Regents, kas maikuwalo nga presidente ti Morgan Marcos State University, sir.
Yeah, I was thankful. I was not so very hopeful, but I bank kadijay kastakmet. Amok nga qualities ko nga nagbigay kanyak may confidence, and I prayed for a calm spirit and steady thoughts during the interview. And I think I was able to convince most of the uh, Board of Regents that I am ready to assume the MMSU presidency.
Ano, dagiti yung manamnamang plano mo maipatungpalit university, sir?
Based ka DJ succeed agenda po, may 7 development goals. So it's just a continuation of the achieve agenda, but more on a higher level. And again, it's more on human-centric. We will consider more of the human element.
Dati ka di, doktor, iti mo na nga gundaway nga panagkaplikaryo kas presidente?
In-try ko ti ko din, nag-apply jay Pampanga State Agricultural University because nag-work ako jay ti 10 years. So it's a smaller university, and my intent noon ay ipadas ko lang met. Although I was hoping na maalak ko no I can start with a smaller university, pero hindi naman po pinalad. And siguro there is other plans for God ta ited na ti MMSU.